Hello everyone, welcome to my catering services. In today's video, I'm come to show you how you can make Christmas cookies for your children or for yourself or for your visitors and see how yummy it look. This is the ingredients you need it. And you see the dry ingredient. So this is the all-purpose flour, 180 gram. You add the pinch of salt. You add the half teaspoon of baking powder to it, and then you sieve it like this. What I have done it, you make it like this, put it aside. You take a mixed bowl, the cream one, you put your margarine. I'm using unsalted butter, but you can use margarine. If you don't find unsalted butter in your area, you can use margarine to make it. The room temperature one, that one you're supposed to use. Don't put in the freezer or fridge before you use. Soft one you're supposed to use, and you start creaming it. You can use wooden spoon to cream, or you can use hand mixer. The one I'm using, you can use that one, or standard mixer. You can add it. You add your brown sugar to it. That's 90 gram brown sugar. You add to it. The brown sugar, have also recipe on my YouTube channel, homemade brown sugar. I have the recipe there, so you can check that one to it. And you cream also like this, nice like this. Then you add teaspoon of vanilla essence or vanilla extract to it. You cream in it some minutes. Then you come to add the 1 egg. Yeah, you add 1 egg to it, and also you mix it. You mix all together like nice like this. It's very easy method, and it don't take too many time to make this. Then you add your dry ingredient, that's the flour, salt and baking powder. You add also to it, and you mix all together nicely. I'm thanking my old subscribers and my old followers. May the Lord bless you. And if you are new here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the notification bell there on my YouTube channel, please. And you take the spatula and you mix it like this. Yeah. You can use wooden spoon to make it, but I prefer to use both of them to make it. Yeah. So don't worry. Use ice scoop to take some. Replace on prepared baking tray with parchment paper lining. This is my channel. I'm here to help you to do some home things for your family. And I want to tell you, this Christmas, try to make special things, surprise your children and the children in your area. And you know, children, if they see you are doing something special for them, like they are very happy and they will enjoy their Christmas more than before. Yeah, so try to do home thing. After finish, you use the scoop to press it down like this. But if you don't have the scoop, you can use spoon to make it. Yeah, so don't worry yourself to find the ice scoop. If you don't have it, you can use spoon to make it. Yeah, and then you decorate on top with your M&ms chocolate on top. Nice, it's colorful chocolate, and you see how nice it look. Yeah, please don't forget to follow, like, and share my Facebook page. Please don't forget it. And you follow me on Instagram. My you also is there, so follow me also there. Per heat, the oven is 180 degrees, and you put in your oven. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes, or until you see it has already changed and you can see different on it. Please, it's ready. Remove from the oven. Let be cool before you serve. Enjoy. Please don't forget to follow all my social media platforms. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the notification bell there like it, comment and share it. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Bye bye.